use a microphone.
Not loud enough. Louder. I ate eggs. Oh, still too quiet. Oh, don't be so shy. Don't be so shy, okay? Oh, what's wrong? Vincent, sit properly, sit properly. Vincent, what will you do today after class? I will. I still cannot hear you. I will. Yeah, I will sleep after class. Everybody wants to sleep after class. Okay, today I want to talk to you about space. We will start talking about Mars. And we will start with a video, and then we will have some short reading so you can get the ideas. And we will have a discussion, okay? First, does everyone know what Mars is? Everyone knows, right? How do we call Mars in other words? What color? What color? Red, right? Red. Red what? Red planet. Yeah, thank you. Red planet. Red planet, Mars, right? Okay, first, before we watch the video, it's a little bit difficult, but don't worry, okay? You don't have to know every word. Let's take a look at the vocabulary. First is breathable air. Everyone say breathable air. Breathable air. What does it mean? And there is a nose. Yes, don't be shy. It means air you can. Oh, she's shy. Air you can what? Breathe. Yes. Who is not shy? Amber is not shy. Huh? Shy? Really. Air you can breathe. Air you can breathe. Number 2, spaceship. Everyone go spaceship. Spaceship. Does everyone know what a spaceship is? When we travel to the moon, for example, right? It usually looks like this, right? And here there is fire, spaceship, and it goes up. Bye-bye. Spaceship. Freeze and froze. Everyone go. Freeze, froze.
Freeze, froze.
What is freeze? To become very, very cold. And when water freezes, it becomes what? Ice. Great, thank you, okay? So freeze, froze, we remember. Okay? When water freezes, it becomes ice. How about evaporate? Evaporate is to become, gas. Very good. Great. Honey knows. Gas. Everyone knows? Evaporate, become gas. Yeah. Oh, everyone say evaporate. Yes. Flat. What is flat? Who can show me? You can show me if you don't know what is flat. What is flat? Brian, what is that? Is that an egg? Okay. Valerie, what is flat? Do you know? Valerie doesn't know. Who knows? Isa knows. What is flat? You don't know? This is flat. It means without any bumps. The table surface is flat. This is not flat. Okay? Flat, not flat. Okay, so mountains are not flat, right? Mountains are not flat. But this line is flat, okay? The flat line. And what is a crater? Have you ever heard this word? Everyone say crater. Crater. Where can you see craters? Have you ever heard? Where? No? Nobody heard? On the moon. When you look at the moon, what color is it? White, right? But it has some dark stains, right? There are holes in the moon, right? Right, Brian? There are holes. Yes, these holes are called craters. Not only moon has craters. There are craters on Mars as well. Okay, craters. So you will see in the video. And the last one is desert. Everyone go desert. Desert. What is a desert? Oh. There is sand, right? A place with a lot of sand. Yes. Please speak louder. Later we cannot hear on the camera. Okay. Now look at the check out the video, look at the video, and maybe let's take a look at the questions first, okay? What do you need if you want to live on Mars? So try to remember, if you want to, you can take some notes, okay? Or try to remember, they are not difficult questions. What do you need if you want to live on Mars? Is there water on Mars? Or was there ever water on Mars? I don't know, okay, we'll see. If there were water on Mars, where would it be located? What is located? In what place, right? In what place it would be, and why? And what places on Earth are similar to Mars? Okay, easy? Easy, right? You can try to watch the video.
So, you're thinking of moving to Mars.
Oh, no.
Have you picked out a...
No cheating. No cheating. How to turn on the subtitles?
So, you're thinking of moving to Mars. Have you picked out a spot for your new home? No? Well, I'm here to help. First things first, here are some of the things you'll need to bring to the Red Planet. A high tolerance for cold, loneliness, and radiation. A lifetime supply of breathable air and food. A multi-billion-dollar spaceship. A desire to just get away from it all. And water. You're definitely going to need water. So what sort of real estate are we looking for? How about a mansion in the maze-like Noctis Labyrinthus? A hideaway in the Happy Face Crater? A fortress on the Face Mesa? An ocean view? Bad news on the last one. You're about 4 billion years late. We're pretty sure that Mars used to have oceans, lakes, rivers, the whole package. But over time, almost all of it froze beneath the surface or evaporated off into space. There's probably still some trapped beneath the seasonally expanding and contracting carbon dioxide ice caps, though. So what might Mars look like today if it had surface water? That, of course, depends on how much we're talking about, but maybe something like this. The relatively flat northern hemisphere is below the average elevation, so it would become one giant ocean, while the crater-ridden southern hemisphere would stay mostly high and dry. That difference between hemispheres is a bit bizarre, and we don't know why it's like that. The southern half is probably much older, judging by features like the number of craters and the evidence of increased volcanic activity in the north. Okay, so who knows? Maybe one day Mars will have oceans again. But for now, what we've got is essentially one giant, dusty desert. In fact, it's similar enough to deserts on Earth that we've been able to learn a great deal about Mars on our home planet. For instance, Mars.
Okay, I think this is enough. This part is enough to answer our questions. Where are we? Did you understand more or less? Looking at the pictures, was it okay? Okay, yes, Sunny said okay. I hope it's okay. Okay, let's see. What do we need? What do we need if we want to live on Mars? Right? Who is not shy to speak on the microphone? Who can speak louder? Amber, what do we need? If you want to live on Mars. Water, yes. So we have number one, we need water. We need water. What is the symbol for water? The chemical symbol. H2O, Sunny, very good. H2O, right? H2O. What else do we need? O2. O2, what is O2? Oxygen. Oh, great! You even know this word. Oxygen is O2. I wrote on the worksheet, breathable air, right? Why? Is there any oxygen on Mars? No, there is a little tiny bit. I think less than 1%. But it's not enough for us, okay? So in our air, we need enough oxygen to be able to breathe, okay? That's why we Well, anything else? Water, oxygen, food. I didn't hear. Can we go back? Let's see.
No? Well, I'm here to help. First things first, here are some of the things you'll need to bring to the red planet. A high tolerance for cold, loneliness, and radiation. A lifetime supply of breathable...
By the way, do you know what radiation is? Where does radiation come from? From the sun. Yes, very good, from the sun.
Air and food. A multi-billion-dollar spaceship.
Oh, we didn't mention this one, right? We will also need a spaceship. Thank you, spaceship. Why do we need spaceships? Yeah, so we can go to Mars, right? And we can also take food to Mars, right?
Or to just get away from it all.
And that's it?
And water. You're definitely going to need water.
That's it?
So what sort of real estate are we looking for?
Okay, that's it for now, right? I think so. What was question number 2? Is there water on Mars? This question, did you hear? Or was there ever water on Mars before? Yes. Yes, Emperor and Mel say yes. Do you remember when? I don't know, did they say 4 billion years ago? Not sure, it doesn't matter. Before there was water. Well, they said there was water in the form of what? Sea. Oh, rivers, yes, rivers. Seas. And one more? Lakes. Seas, rivers, and lakes. Okay, how about now? Is there water on Mars now? No. But some scientists say maybe there is ice, right? Ice. Maybe there is. Some scientists say there is Mars, there is ice. Okay. Now you saw the picture. They were speaking a little bit fast, but you saw the picture. If there were water on Mars, where would it be? Hint. In the north or in the south? North, right? Why? Who knows why? Extra points. Who knows why? Who knows why? Kevin, do you know why? Why? They said something about the surface. What is surface? This is the surface of the table. What do they say about the surface of the north of Mars? It is more flat. Yes, thank you. It's flat. It's flat. So water can be there. But the southern part, the southern hemisphere, is not flat. That's why water cannot stay there. Okay. And what places on Earth are similar to Mars? Other deserts, right? Deserts. So it's saying it looks like a dusty desert, right? It looks like a dusty desert. Okay, before we move to our discussion, I want to discuss about this in a moment, okay? Is life on Mars possible in the future? I want to discuss about this, but first, I want to do some short exercise with you about 1 billionaire's plans to send people to Mars, okay? So I have the paper for you. don't need to take a look at it first. We can start reading right away. Okay, before we start, SpaceX wants to send you to Mars. The second word is several. What is several? Does anyone know what is several? Some. Very good. Is it more than many or less than many? Oh, less than many. Great. Okay, good job. So we can start. Amber, start. For several years. Can you read?
Oh,
Yes.
yes.
Talked. Yes. Why did you choose talked? Why? Yes, there is have, right? So have plus PP plus participle. Have talked about?
The possibility of flying to Mars.
Yes, very good. Next one. Who can do next one? Valerie, can you do the number two? Number two. One of the problems. One of the problems. Yes, US. So, what do we have? Sending, send, or send? Who knows? Send, right? Yes. Okay, thank you, Valerie. Valerie was right. One of the problems with such a trip, however, has been the cost. Again, we have has, have, plus past participle has been the cost. US $10 billion to send. Okay, when we have to, we always use a verb without ed, without ing. Okay. One person to the red planet. Elon Musk. Who is next? Who is next? Oh, no. Can you go next? Elon Musk. Billionaire. Announce. Yes, to change this. Okay, because we have one problem to change, right? To change this. Okay, thank you. Do I have to write down? I don't, right? I don't, right? We're gonna ask Sunny. Sunny, where are we? Number 5. He is the. Hey. Oh, you're not. Oh, what's your name? Oh, Wendy. Wendy, all right. Sorry.
He is the CEO of SpaceX and a company that created and he hopes to change the world by selling tickets to Mars only $200,000 US.
Dollars. Yes, thank you, Wendy. Okay, Wendy's right. Okay, he hopes. He, she, it, we remember yes, S, right? He hopes. Next one, Ethan, go. Ethan, are you ready? Number 6. Number 6, you have what, how, or who. Can he do this? Yes. Yes, how can he do this? How can he do this? The answer is technology. Everyone knows what technology is, right? Okay, next one. Next one, with new technology. Can we continue? Go. With new tech, yes, there.
With new technology, he believes his company will able to make the long trip to Mars affordable.
Okay, but which one did you choose? Able or be able? What did you choose? Be able. Be able. We choose be able. A, 7A. Be able to make the long trip to Mars affordable. What is affordable? Can afford, right? What does it mean to afford? Wendy, do you know? When you have enough what? Money. Affordable. Trip to Mars, affordable. This means you have enough money. Okay? But afford is a verb. Afford is a verb. I can afford, right? I have enough money. But affordable is an adjective. Okay? So we can say the trip is affordable. Okay? The trip is affordable. He plans. Who is next? Who is next? Rita, can you do the next one? Number what? Oh, wait. Number 8, right? Number 8. He plans.
Plans to send the first woman to Mars.
Very good.
By 2021.
Yes. He plans to send first humans to Mars by 2025. By, it means until, okay? Before. Before. Next one. 2025. And after that, his company wants to send 1 million people to Mars in the next 40? Yes. 40 to 100 years. Okay, next one. To do this, number 10. To do this, yes. Very good. To do this, we need to build. Okay, with a D. Build 1,000 spaceships. Again, we have 2. So, a verb without ed, no past tense, no ing follows, okay? Ships. Number 11. Number 11 is does, is, or will his company. Yes, will his company be successful? Very good, easy. I think he will be able to put humans on Mars because he wants to do it, says Robert Zubrin, the president of the Mars Society. And the last one. Right now, NASA. Ita? Yes, okay, they don't. Yes, okay, thank you. They don't want to. Okay, and now, very good. We have 20 minutes to do the discussion. So, we found out today that there are plans to go to Mars, okay, to send people to Mars. We say that maybe we can colonize Mars. Colonize is to send people to live somewhere, okay? Send people to live somewhere. And now what I want to do is to ask you to discuss this with me, okay? Well, you can use the other side of the paper to take some notes, okay? Is life on Mars possible in the future? Please make groups of 3 and 4 students and write if it's possible, why could it be possible, and why is it impossible? Please say impossible, not impossible, okay? Impossible. Is it possible or impossible? Find the arguments. Maybe I'll give you 5 minutes. 5 minutes enough? Is it enough? Group of 3, 4 students, and then you can tell me, okay? Then you can come and tell me, okay? Go, fine. You can stand up and find your partners, okay? 3, 4 students per group, okay? Go, 5 minutes. But please in English, okay? In English, okay? Go, you can stand up. Don't be shy. What partners do you want? Only 2 of you? Anyone else? Because not the technology. But you have to rank off possible and impossible. Three is enough. If you have three, I will be happy enough. Yes, three. Also, you read an article about that. You wonder about it. Is that enough? Impossible, because